students. Last video I have explained question number first of exercise practice 5A. Before that I have explained basics of algebraic expression, means some definitions I have explained, terms, degree, what is coefficient and types of polynomial, definition of polynomial. So these are I have already explained. Based on that explanation and based on that concept, we have to do the question of self practice 5A or 5B or 5C, whatever. So first, for any chapter, in that basic terms and definitions, it is compulsory to know what is polynomial and what is degree and coefficient, and how we decide term, and how we decide given expression is polynomial or not. So based on that you can solve the respective questions and coming exercise question. Okay, now just you see the question number 2 of the self practice 5A. Same types of question are given. I have not written all the whatever statement is given. I have written this shortcut. Identify the polynomial, means monomial, binomial and trinomial. Which type of polynomial are there in the given in respective expression. And then we have to find coefficient of each term, means we have to find numerical coefficient of each term. Means we have to answer the numerical coefficient only, means in variable has which numerical value has multiplied each term, that we have to find. And we have to find also degree of the polynomial, means in the polynomial what is the degree of given polynomial. So each expression has different power, that depends which type of how many powers are given in each variables. So we have to identify degree. Degree means highest power. So first one by one I will explain. In this question, first question, just we have to find which type of polynomial are there. For that you have to count the term. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 terms are there, means we can say trinomial. So it is trinomial. So just write down, it is trinomial. Okay. Because 3 terms are there, so this expression is trinomial. After then we have to find coefficient. So just write down there coefficient of each term. Coefficient is equal to coefficient is equal to first term. Coefficient b square has numerical. Only we have to coefficient give the answer in numerical value only in coefficient, because numerical coefficient you have to find. Okay, not variable. So in b square has 4 multiplied by 4, so it will come 4. Comma second term multiplied by 5, so you have to write down 5. If sign is there, means minus sign is there, then we have to also write down minus 5. But here plus 5 is given, that's why written only 5. No need to write plus. After then third term b, only b is written, means nothing number is given, means 1 should be 1, means just write down here 1. So coefficients is equal to 4, 5, 1, means 3 terms are there, so 3 are different coefficients are given. And what is the degree of this expression? Just you see here, highest power. Highest power is 3, so degree is equal to 3. Just write down degree is equal to 3. So final answer is degree is equal to 3. Like that you have to answer for the each expression. Okay. Next, second part, 8x square plus 5x plus minus 7x to the power 4. Okay. So here also has 3 terms. Just you see here 1, 2, 3. So 3 terms are there. So we have to answer trinomial again. So it is trinomial. And now find coefficient of each term. So coefficient of each term is equal to a coefficient of x square is plus 8, coefficient of x is 5, and coefficient of x power 4 is minus 7. So just write down here 8, 5, minus 7. So coefficient of each term is 8, 5, minus 7. Next, we have to find degree. So just you see here highest power of whole expression. So highest power of whole expression is here x to the power 4. So degree is equal to 4. So just write down here degree is equal to 4. Degree means highest power of the whole expression. If anyone has highest power variable, that power is called degree of the expression or polynomial. Next, second question, third question, x square minus y square is given. So which type? How many terms are given here? 2 terms. So it is binomial. So that's right on. It is binomial. Okay. Binomial. And then we have to find coefficient of each term. So coefficient of each term is equal to coefficient of each term is equal to 1 because x square there is no any number is written, means 1. Again y square there is no any number, but here minus is there, so just write on here minus 1. Okay, because nothing written means 1 is there, so sign is minus, so minus 1. After that just you find degree. So x square and y square is there, so both has 2 power, means degree is equal to 2. So it is binomial, coefficient is 1 comma minus 1 and degree is equal to 2. Next question number fourth part. Just you see here how many terms are there in this expression. Means here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 terms. So it is in this question up to trinomial is written, but I have explained in video whenever I am explaining the definition of basic terms and definitions. In that case I have explained another part also, quadrinomial, means which has 4 terms. So just count here has 4 terms. So we can say it is a quadrinomial. Okay, quadrinomial. But in book is given only till trinomial only. But I have explained up to quadrinomial. So just write down quadrinomial. After that, just you find coefficient of each term. So coefficient of each term is equal to coefficients is equal to 8 comma minus 9 comma 4 comma 1. Just you see here 8, here minus 9, here 4, and then nothing written is 1. So coefficient is 8 minus 9 4 1. After then find degree. So degree of the polynomial, degree of the expression, just you see here highest power. Here power is 6, here power is 3 plus 1. If certain different variable are multiplied, just you add both the power. So 3 plus 1 4, again not highest. 2 plus 2 4, it is not highest. This one is highest. So highest power is 7. So degree is equal to 7. Now next part, AB plus BC plus CA. Just you see here 3 terms are there. So we can say it is trinomial. So just write down trinomial. Okay, so this is trinomial. Next, we have to find coefficient of each term. There is no any number, so just write down for each term coefficient is equal to 1 1 1 1. Coefficient is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. Again we have to find degree of the polynomial. So degree is 1 power, here 1 also, here 1 also. So we will add each place. So then 2 will come. So degree is equal to 2. So in this part degree is equal to 2. Next question, last one. Minus 20 to the power minus 20 into y power 7. So it has only one term. So we have to answer here monomial. It is monomial. Okay. So types of polynomial is monomial. Next we have to find coefficient. So coefficient is equal to minus 20. Just write down that coefficient is equal to minus 20. And then we have to find degree of the polynomial. So degree y power has 7. So degree is equal to 7. So final answer is degree is equal to 7. So like that you can do question number 2 of the self practice 5a. This type of question is given in the respective question. Okay, that's all.